Hello guys, I am in, let me show you. This is for Rachel, what she wants me to do. This is it. I'm after a woman's wig. I'm not going to show you which one I'm getting, because you've got to wait till we do it live. But that's where I am. Lovely, eh? What do you think of that? And what's the name of this shop, my mate?
Litchfield Costume Hire.
Litchfield Costume Hire. If anybody's interested, you're staying on next to Trent Valley train station, just there. So yeah, some wigs. So I've got my dress, so I'll get myself a wig, and we'll do it this week. And we're back. While I was down at the costume shop, I went to Lidl. Don't go to Lidl often, because it's down that way, so I popped in and I picked up a few bits. So let me show you what we got. It's going to be a bit of a mix and match, but we're going to try it. Right, this is what I've got. A pork meat pie. I can't say that word. What's that say there? Can you see that? Empanado. Solomar anyway, whatever it is. I don't know. Pork meat pie. That was, I've got the receipt here. £3.49 that was. Never had it before. Looks quite nice, doesn't it? And I've also got these tortilla, call them omelettes. Potato omelette with chorizo, that one. And I've also got a potato omelette with spinach. They were 2 for £4 or £2.45 each. And I also got, yeah, so a bit of a mix and match, guys, bit of a mix and match. I've also got some pork belly slices, tandoori. They were, where is it? £4.25 they were. And I just got some ready-made salad, because I'm doing quite a lot here. So then we can have that with the pork bellies, and they're just going to be it basically as a taste. Because I think you can eat them cold after anyway, can't you? I'll have to have a look, I'm sure you can. So what we're going to do first, I'm going to move them out of the way, because I've got loads to do. Well, not loads. I'm going to get the pork bellies first. I'm going to do it in the air fryer, so it's nice and simple. So I'll get the air fryer warmed up, and then we will have a look how to cook these. Right, while the air fryer's warming up, hope you can hear me properly. Yeah, tandoori pork belly slices. There's all the ingredients, with a mango, I've got to put my glasses on, I can't see that, hold on. With a sachet of mango chutney. So there's everything there. How do we cook these? Oven cook now, 45 minutes. Alright, let's just open them up. They're going to go in the air fryer anyway, and you play it by ear. Because everyone's air fryers are different anyway, so. Oh, smell them straight away. Probably can't see that there, can you? Covered. Right, yeah, so what you do, I've just read that. Put them in, last 5 minutes, sprinkle that over the top. That's quite simple, I think that's what it says. Yeah, that's what it says, you probably can't see it. If you want the thing, it'd be better, wouldn't you, be able to read it? There you go, look. Cook for 40 minutes, turn in occasionally, remove from the oven, empty the contents of the sachet over the belly slices and return for the last 5. So I'll do that in the air fryer anyway. It won't be 40 minutes, I reckon about half hour altogether for them. Just looked at my air fryer, look, it looks like it needs a clean. Obviously someone's had a go and haven't cleaned it. Anyway, let's get these pork bellies in. They smell delicious, they really do. And what I'll do is, with 5 minutes to go, I'll take this top bit off and I'll put them at the bottom and sprinkle the sauce out of the mango chutney out for them. That's what I'll do. Otherwise it'll just all pour through them slats, won't it? Get these in. And we'll get them on, and I'll just keep turning them over and all that stuff. Right, them pork bellies are smelling absolutely delicious at the minute. They've been in 14 minutes and I'm just turning them. Now then, the potato omelette with chorizo. So have a look at these. I've had a look at the instructions and it just says you can microwave them. I'm not going to. I'm going to shallow fry. It always tastes better, doesn't it? Little bit of oil or water, which I'm going to do. Heat the omelette on both sides gently for 10 minutes and just obviously keep flicking them over. And that's exactly the same for the potato and spinach one. So they're nice and simple. And as for this pie, all it does, it goes in the oven for 5 minutes. So down here to it, oven. That's all. You can read, I don't know if you can read, that might be blurred and a bit small. But it's just 5 minutes, obviously just to warm through, I suppose. That's all that is. So we'll get these open first then, and I'll get the pans hot up. Right, let's open these tortilla omelettes then. I don't know if I showed you the ingredients, I don't know if you can see, it's really small. If you can see it, you can see it. I don't know whether you can or not. Let me just show you, just in case you can. There you go. Get them open. There's that one. Can't really smell anything at the minute. All I can smell is that tandoori. And there's the spinach one. And I do, well, I can smell that one. And I do like a bit of spinach. Right, over to the pans. Let me see if I can get it so I can get both. Probably can't. Nice low heat, gently, so I'll turn them down. Nice little sizzle. And I'll keep turning them and I'll fry them up for 10 minutes. Right, what they're doing then, now we'll go on to the pie. Did I show you the ingredients in this? I can't remember if I did, but the writing is really small. There it is anyway. So this just takes 5 minutes, so we'll open this, open here. Ooh. Well, that's quite nice. That don't look bad at all, does it? Getting out's another matter. Will it all fall apart? I don't know. Got to put it on a tray. What I might do is I might put it on a pizza tray with the holes in the bottom. I think that would be better. Let me get one out of the oven. Pizza tray. See if I can get this pie out without breaking anything. There we go. Looks a bit like an apple pie or something, doesn't it? Looks quite nice, doesn't it? That will bake well tart, doesn't it? Right, in the oven then, 5 minutes. Now I'm going to get me chops out, my pork bellies out. Got that crispiness on the top there, look. Oh yes. I'm going to get the pork bellies back in here now. And get that mango chutney over. So a little bit of oil at the bottom there, but it'll make it nice and greasy, won't it? And we'll just pour some of this over. And what I'll do is I'll save that over a little bit. And when I turn them over in a minute, I'll put it on the other side. Sweating now. And that's just walked in. There's like a sauna in here, isn't it, Bab? Oh, Jesus. Oh, really sweating. Right, it's all done. Dished it all up. You crack on. You crack on if you want. If you want to just eat that first, where I'll show everybody. Let me show you. And it all looks nice. So, there's the pork bellies. I've had 2. That's had 3. Because those are a bit smaller. There's the pie. Smells quite nice. There is the omelettes. And I've done some Hairy Bikers chips. I didn't show you them because I've done them on my channel before. I'll leave a link up above the channel them if you haven't seen them. Delicious. So, loads of stuff here. I'm going to just try and put you somewhere so I can see. There you go. I've got no room on the table now. What are they like? And they're hot still.
Not roasting hot.
No, I don't mean spicy hot, I mean... No.
No, boiling.
Yeah, I've been there about 10 minutes while I've been setting things up anyway.
They're quite nice.
Let's try them then. Let's try.
They are quite
3 to
nice.
4,000 with this, like, look at all this.
My favourite.
Yeah,
They're nice.
straight away.
I do like them.
And nice sweetness on the top as well, isn't it, with that?
What is it? Chocolate.
It's chutney glaze, yeah. That's nice, isn't it?
That's very nice.
Just a shame you don't get many.
Is that all you got?
And you do 1, 2, you got 3, and she's done 5. So you don't get many, do you? For 4.5 quid, whatever it was.
That's not good. I don't think that's good. You could get your own and marinate your own overnight.
No, because I think normal ones
Oh,
are about 3.5 quid now. You know the ones you used to get from Aldi that you like? They're about 3.5 quid now.
like that.
On their own. So,
I do like
I
it.
like them. They're nice. Well, let me see if I can put you somewhere I can cut this pie up and have a look. Right, let's have a look at this pie. I've never tried one of these before, ever in my life. And you can eat these cold, it said on the packaging. Sure, it said you can eat them cold, so always warm them back up, can't you, if you need to, I suppose. Let's have a look, if I cook that properly. They also do a tuna one. That looks a bit like tuna, doesn't it, that? That looks a bit like tuna, doesn't it? Doesn't it look a bit like, what do you call it? Pork meat. That's like cat food.
Is that tuna?
Looks a bit like tuna, doesn't it?
Could be wrong. That's tuna. That's tuna.
No, it's not tuna. It's not tuna.
I don't like that.
I don't really like that either.
Oh, that's boiled.
It's not very nice, is it, that?
Oh, I don't like that.
It's a little bit bland as well, isn't it, that?
That's weird.
No, I'm not keen on that one.
That's not very nice.
You might like it. I'm not keen on that.
I'm not holding my choke out for these either.
They're only omelettes, aren't they? You like an omelette, don't you? So,
Yeah, true.
I mean, it should only be an omelette. What would you be thinking now, though? It's more like a quiche, isn't it? Or a,
Yeah.
what do you call it? A fritter. Not fritter, what do you call it?
I know what you want about.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Let's cut a couple of, let's cut them both up first. I ain't got to keep moving the camera because otherwise the video's going to be hours long.
I'm happy with what I've got on my plate.
Let's try them. I'm absolutely sweating now, haven't I, really? I mean, it's cooked itself, really, but...
It is warm in here.
Potato and spinach. I can smell the spinach in it.
I'm going to try a bit of yours instead of cutting it off.
I don't like that at all.
Potato and spinach.
I don't know what you think. No. No, I don't like that at all. I don't like that.
Oh, that's boiled.
Oh.
Oh, that's nasty. Tastes like the potato I had yesterday.
It does, actually. It does. Yeah.
That's what it's
It does. It tastes like that.
Jacket
Jack I had yesterday.
That's boiled. That's not nice.
That's not very nice. I'm selling change these lids on these Aldi bottles. Gone everywhere again. Right, let's try this other one. That's disgusting. I'm expecting this chorizo one to be a bit better.
I like chorizo.
No.
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 Is it the same texture?
It's just, yeah. It's like
That's
hard jacket potato.
that's what. Yeah.
It's not as bad because the chorizo takes it off you a bit, but it's that, yeah. No, I don't like that, and it's bland as well. It's quite bland.
That's the worst.
That's
one.
disgusting, isn't it?
Oh, that's disgusting.
No, don't like them. I don't like that pie.
Oil.
So, there we go.
That chorizo-
You might like them, I don't like them at all.
Oh, that's disgusting.
I will stick to my Harry Biker fries,
Yeah.
chips, and my salad.
God.
There you go. You might like them, but I think they're just... Let me know if you've had them before and you like them. I will stick with that. But it still looks like tuna, that does. Don't taste like it, but it...
It smells like it.
No, it doesn't smell like it. Tuna stinks, doesn't it?
What is this, pork?
Pork meat.
That's what I can smell them.
Mm.
With what else has it got in it? Just,
I think got peppers and that in it, I didn't look.
just all.
I threw the
that
package
sort of
away.
stuff, right. I'm not eating it anyway.
Anyway, there you go. I don't like none of that, apart from the pork bellies. There you go. So unfortunately, Lidl, that's it's a down thumbs for me on that, isn't it? Yeah.
The worst one was the chorizo one.
I think the worst one was the spinach one. No.
Got that potato head yesterday.
Yeah. Never mind. I say, I'm the old food guy. Rubbish food. This on the plate's good though, isn't it? Mm. Stuff on the plate's good, but that's no good.
These are delicious.
Yeah. So give us a like, give us a subscribe. I'm not going to mark it today because we do like the tandoori pork bellies, don't we? Mm. The salad's a salad, and it's them. So some people like it, some people don't. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.